Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how you get the cactus that you want to get. Right, this straight out the backyard. You can grab it. Let me do this for you. You're gonna grab it, hold it right here, and then you have a knife and you're gonna cut. And you just get a knife and cut at the base of it, and it come right out. You know, bam. What's up, man? Let me set this camera up right. I'm gonna show y'all how to get cactus ready. Prepare cactus just in case survival. You take the back end of your knife, right? And you scraping off the little splinters, the little stickers, right? Then it's easier just to cut the edges. You want to cut these edges off that way. You're not gonna eat those anyway. Cutting that off like that. See how that is? Cutting that off. It's survival food. You know what I mean? Black folk, hey, we gonna maintain. You dig what I'm saying? Sometimes in the desert also you can cut the ends. You can open it up and you can use that for a water pouch as well. But we're gonna keep rolling on that. You're gonna see this part? You're gonna cut that off too. Scraping. And you scraping it the back end of the knife. Getting all the splinters out. Right? We'll be back. Strips like this, then you want to break the strips down to this. You cut them in little squares. And as you see, we got the cactus, we got the garlic, we got the chicken, bell pepper, we got onions and jalapenos, and we'll get back to you all in a minute. Okay, look, now I'm getting ready to put in my cactus that I cut up. I cut up a cactus like this, cut it up into these pieces. We getting ready to grab them, throw them in the pot. Now, you might see some chicken left. That's because my son, he didn't want to try the cactus. So we gonna do a separate pot just with the chicken, the cactus. We are making fajita tacos with cactus. Survival food. You know what I mean? Just in case, something go down and you don't have no bell peppers or whatever, you just got cactus. I'm just showing you can cook with cactus, season it up, and it will be delicioso. So this chicken fajita with cactus is cooking right now, throwing down. Definitely, man. I'll show y'all something a little later, but this is how it's looking. This is the chicken, cactus, bell pepper, onions, and garlic with a little seasoning. Survival food. Okay. Okay, so we already got a scoop, but you grab your scoop. Hold on, walk with me. See that? Bam. Drop it on the cartel. See that cactus in there? Man, it's finna go down. And then I asked her, going there. She said you better come.